welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully amazing. I am so excited and I want to welcome you to a very exciting video. First of all, I cannot believe how fast 2023 has gone by. It's already summer, like what the heck? That's just so crazy. But something exciting about summer, well, there's many things I love about summer, but one in particular is that every year I get to go to camp with my best friend Ellie, which she is again coming this year, which I'm super excited about. And that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video, packing for camp. I've got my suitcase right here. I think I picked out the right size. I'm not really sure. If it's too big, I'll have to switch it out. But here's the exciting news about this camp that's a little bit different than last year. The camp is about 3 days long, so that's how long I'm going to have to pack for. And the good thing about us staying in an Airbnb is since I can bring my suitcase, I'll be able to pack a little bit more than if I had to put everything in a backpack or a duffel bag. So that's another plus. Okay, I'm on the floor now. I'm going to lay out my suitcase. And I think I'm gonna start by packing everything I'm gonna be needing for like lake excursions that we're gonna do, swimming and hiking stuff, like hats and sunblock, and of course the clothes, all that important stuff. Since we're gonna be there about 3 or 4 days, and the first 3 days we're gonna be swimming, I'm gonna bring 3 bathing suits. I'm gonna go get them now. Here's the first bathing suit I'm gonna bring. I really like this one, and it has the sleeves, so it's good for like tubing or anything like that. And I'm also gonna bring these black bathing suit shorts to wear over it. Here's the second bathing suit. This is just like swim shirt, has a cute pineapple on the back. And I'm also gonna bring some swim shorts for that. Here's my third bathing suit I'm gonna bring, and I also have an extra over here because just in case, you never know, you might need an extra one. I picked out 2 different hats to bring. My amazing pineapple one that I've worn so much in the water, so it's already perfect. And my super cute one I got from Bass Lake on our recent trip. I'll definitely need some sunblock, so I got this spray, and I also got this face mist. You can kind of just put it and spray it on in the morning after everything else, but I like this one, so I'm gonna bring both. And for my water bottle, I have this super cool one. Watch this. You unscrew the lid. You can like make it tall and then short, so it can hold like a lot of water. And it has a clip, which is super useful, so that I can like clip it to my bag while we're hiking. So I'm definitely gotta bring this one. And I also need, I'm checking my list. Oh yes, chapstick, lotion, of course. Oh yes, I will also need a beach towel. I'm gonna go get that. Just ran to the garage. I got my water shoes, or I guess shower shoes. That's why I'm bringing 2. I'm probably gonna use these ones for the shower and these ones for water, or other way around, but I'm gonna bring 2. So these ones, and then my flip-flops. I'll just put them to the side because then I'll pack them later once I have everything set out. And then for my towel, just bringing this one for my beach towel and shower towel. I'm definitely gonna need sunglasses or else I'll be squinting in the sun the whole time. But I'm not gonna bring my nice ones because I might like lose them or drop them or get them scratched. So I'm just gonna bring these ones. They're sort of the more cheap ones, but they'll work. Also, this one changes color in the sun. It's super cute. I'm gonna try to fit them in this little box here. There we go. Here are the hiking shoes that I'm gonna bring. They're my Solomons. These ones are super good because they're Gore-Tex, which means they're waterproof all the way up to like this part, all the way up to your socks basically. And I tested them the other day and they really are. Like I didn't get any water on my feet, which was super cool. I literally walked through a stream and my socks were dry. It was cool. So I'm definitely gonna bring these, put them over here. 4 pairs of socks. I decided I'm gonna bring one of my bucket hats because it'll help protect my neck a little bit better, especially when we're hiking. I'm also gonna bring some tall socks for the hike. I just went and grabbed my toiletries bag, so I'm ready to pack it, but I am going on a little day trip in the next couple days before camp, and then right when I get home I'll be able to pack this, but for now I'm just gonna set it with my stuff. As far as pajamas, I'm thinking I'm just gonna bring this shirt because they don't really matter too much, but I decided I'm gonna bring shorts and pants in case I'm cold or hot, then I can switch. Here are the 4 outfits I've picked out, these 2, and these 2 with jean shorts. I've officially laid out everything on the floor that I'm going to be needing for camp, and now it's time to put it in the suitcase. Put underwear and socks up here in the 2 compartments. Now I'll put my hats in. So I'm going to put them kind of on top like this. Maybe sideways, that might be good. I'm also packing some of these arm sleeves so I won't get sunburnt. Now time for the pajamas. Let's put them on this side. Now it's time to pack my outfits. Let's start with this one. I think I'm going to pack them on this side. I decided I'm going to pack 1 or 2 extra outfits just in case I want to change when I get home after a hike or something like that. I have my 2 extra outfits, and both of the shirts are workout shirts since the hikes will be pretty sweaty. I'm going to pack a light jacket for hiking. I'll put it right here. Perfect. Looks like it's all fitting nicely. Well, almost. There we go. I think I just flipped it the wrong way. Perfect. Wait, hold on. That was not perfect. There's literally still a sandal on the floor. How did that get there? Okay, let's put this back in and then it'll be perfect. It's been a couple of minutes and Chloe's been in my room looking at my suitcase. I think she might know that I'm gonna be going somewhere. I'm gonna be gone for a little bit. Are you gonna miss me? I know she's gonna be so sad when I leave because she loves me so much. I am definitely her favorite. Oh, I feel so bad. Are you gonna miss me when I'm gone, Chloe? Yeah? It's so sad because every single day, the first thing she says when she wakes up is Alyssa. Like, she knows how to say my... Yeah, Alyssa! She knows how to say my name and she's literally obsessed with me. She always comes to my room. She knows exactly how to get there. She always finds me when I'm walking around the house. She always says my name, like no matter what. It's not Mama or Dada, it's always Alyssa. Are you a little sad because I'm gonna be leaving you? Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna be gone that long. It's okay, don't be too sad, okay? I know. Oh no, don't be sad again. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, I'm only gonna be gone a couple days. Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh. Chloe, do you want to give me a hug? Do you want a hug? Come here. I'll give you a hug. It's okay. It's okay, Coco. Oh, now she wants to film. What? You took my phone? Hey, get back here. Silly. Hey, maybe when I'm on my camping trip, I can FaceTime you and then we can talk to each other. Would you like that? Yeah, yes you would. I know you would. Well, I am all packed. Luckily, everything fit. I am all ready to go. I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what hikes we're gonna do, and apparently we're also gonna be doing cliff jumping, which I've never done before, so it could be a little scary, but I don't know. I'm just pretty excited. I think I'm gonna have a great time, especially since Ellie's going. You guys definitely comment and tell me if you're excited for the vlogs I'm gonna do when I'm there. I'm excited to film them. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyways, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys later. Bye!